Hi guys, I've been receiving some emails from you asking about submissions for the ePortfolio, and I thought I'd create a video to show you what is it that you need to do. So once you're on your browser, go to Digication, and that is depal.digication.com, and you will get the login page. Mine goes automatically in because I've been logging in before, and it's just it just remembers my login. But once you log in using your Campus Connect information, it'll welcome you to this home page. In the home page, you'll see My ePortfolio, so all the portfolios that you have created will be there in your ePortfolios, and then you'll see your courses. The courses you'll see listed will have the winter courses, and the spring courses should already be there. But you're not going to go into the courses to submit the portfolio. You're going to actually go to your portfolio, the one that you created for our course, and you're going to submit it from there. So I just went into the sample portfolio, and it just has the sample template. So once you have created your welcome page, your reflections, have incorporated your assignments, have a photo of you and a little bio and all the requirements for this assignment ready, and you're ready to send it out, you can check in the publish view, see how that is going to look like for me when I see it, when I receive it, right? So you can see that there. But from the edit mode is where you're going to submit it. And if you see in the public view, all of these tabs I have not published yet. So when I go to the publish view, they're not there anymore because they haven't been published. So make sure that everything that you want to show has actually been published. Okay, if you go to this section right here, publish changes, you click on that, it'll publish that for you. And then now in the edit mode, you still see everything, but when you go to the published view mode, you see the home and you see the about me as well, right? So go back to the edit mode. Once you have it ready, everything has been published, and the published view is looking like what you want me to see for grading. Once that is done and everything is published, you're going to go down to this drop down menu. So if you click on that arrow, you're going to see submit to course. That's where you want to click onto to submit. Once you click on that, there's two tabs, choose assignment and submit ePortfolio. The choose assignment here, you should have, and I don't have it because I don't have the student view, but you should have our course. So look for TNL 407, or if you're on ECE 310, look for that course, and it's pre-primary curriculum strategies. So look for that course, select it. So if I wanted to say I'm going to submit to this, select that course, and then you will see your portfolio. It'll go down to the second tab, and you will select all the pages of your portfolio, and then you publish all and submit, and it'll take, in that way I will receive it for grading via Digication. Automatically, I'll get an email notifying that you submitted something through Digication for me to grade, and when I go back into Digication, into our course, I can see your portfolio for grading. But you have to do this in order to submit it. If not, I don't see in Digication as if you submitted anything, even if you share it with the course or if you share it with me specifically. So I'm going to show you that. Let's get out of here and go back to this mode. So again, you go to this drop down tab, you go to submit to course, you select from choose assignment, you're going to see our course, you select that course, and once you're in there, you're going to select everything in your portfolio that you want me to see. If it's in draft mode, make sure that you've published it before you submit it. Although I think that if you click on publish all and submit right there, it will publish all of your everything that you have selected, and it will submit it to me. If there's something that you don't want me to see, deselect it, and I won't see that. That won't be part of the submission that you are sending in for me to grade. So I want to show you, if I get out of here and go back to the Digication home, let's see, dashboard. Okay, let's go back to home. If I go into our course, so let me go into 407. If I go into 407 and I click that course, I go into assignments. Once you've submitted the assignment, as I just showed you how to, it'll show up in the assignment, and these assignments are wrong. I have to fix it. I don't know why they did this. Someone changed it. But I will see here ePortfolio. Once you have submitted, it will have an indication for me to go in and grade it. But right now, no one has submitted anything for grading. So, but if I go to ePortfolios, I see the ePortfolios that have been shared. So I've been getting emails from you guys saying that you've shared the portfolio with the course. What this means is that this portfolio, these portfolios here, have been shared with the course. So anybody in our course can go in and look at them. But they're not there as assignments to be graded. They're just shared with everybody in the course. So again, in order for it to show up as an assignment under your name for me to grade, you need to go into your portfolio, go into submissions, go into the drop-down tab, go into submit to course, select our course. Once you've selected the course, select everything in your ePortfolio, publish all and submit, and send it to me. That is the way that you need to do it in order for me to be able to see it under the grading view, so that I can apply the rubric that I've created for this assignment for your particular grading of your portfolio. Okay, so I hope that helps. Hopefully this helps clarify. If you still have questions, send me an email and I will try to help you out. Bye guys. Okay, so I just realized something is missing here when I was looking at the assignments that are set up for 407. For 310 they were fine, but for 407 there were some missing assignments. So now when I go in, that view that I had shown you before of assignments for that course that were mismatched. So now they're fine. I fixed them. So now we have our assignments for the course and the assignment ePortfolio shows up there. This blue with S means it's waiting for student submission. So it's waiting for you guys to submit your ePortfolio there. Once you have submitted it, it goes to F orange, which is waiting for faculty. Then I can go in and evaluate it and give you your grade and click on the standards that you've met by completing that particular assignment. All of these other assignments you don't need to submit anything for. I just need to go in and click that you have met those particular standards or not for each of those assignments. So I need to do that for you guys, but for each of the assignments that you guys have completed. But for the ePortfolio, it's there. So now I'm thinking it is possible that if you go to your ePortfolio, and again, I don't have the student view, so I can't check that this is happening. Of course. Okay. But if you go to your ePortfolio and go to that drop-down menu, now once it's set up as you want it, you've checked on the published view, it looks as you want me to see it, you go to that drop-down, you go to submit to course, and in here choose your assignments. Our course and the assignment ePortfolio should show up. Again, I don't have the student view. I can't check that that is the case, but go in and check. It should be there because I've created that assignment for you, which I realized before it wasn't because someone messed up with my Digication standards view. But anyway, look for this, and here you would be able to choose an assignment, and that assignment should be associated with our course and reflected as the ePortfolio assignment. And then again, you're going to go in, you're going to choose all the pages that you want to submit, and then publish and submit. This button here is if you don't want to publish these draft pages of your portfolio and you want to leave them as drafts, then you ignore the drafts and just submit everything that has been published. The ones that don't have the draft ones are the ones that have been published. So you have that option. But I would recommend you just publish everything or submit this, publish all, and then submit your entire portfolio so that I see all your work. and you don't run the risk of not submitting something that you intended to submit or that you created for the purposes of this course to submit. Okay, so that is it. Hopefully we are good now. But still, if you have questions, let me know, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Bye-bye.